Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to fix TikTok voice call option not showing problem. So follow my all step, otherwise you cannot understand. First of all, click on setting icon. Scroll down, pick apps or apps management. Click on search bar, search TikTok. Click on TikTok. Click for stop. Then click OK. Click on storage. Click clear data. Click clear all data. Click on OK. Open your Play Store apps. Update your TikTok apps. Go back, open your TikTok apps. Click on setting. Click on three dot icon. Click on setting and privacy. Scroll down, click on notification. Click on voice call. Click on everyone. I hope solve your problem. Thank you.